Okay, so we're in Antigua. We've travelled from Guatemala City today. We're starting to feel like we're a little bit over-prepared and like a bunch of campers in our walking boots, and everyone else is walking around in normal clothes, and we'd have fitted in very nicely if we'd have come straight from Derby. Anyway, while we were over-equipping ourselves, we did indulge in a nice purchase of a brand new Swiss Army knife. And this is going to be the first time that we've ever used our brand new Swiss Army knife. It has, I think it was 12 functions. And we'll probably only use one. That's the can opener. We don't need that one now. I think this is the bottle opener. We'll use it anyway. It might have been the one on the can opener actually, but anyway.
Yeah, it's a bottle opener.
This is our Gallo beer. Robin had some silly girly drink. We looked up Gallo. It means cock. We were both silly and immature, but it meant that sort of guy. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It took 2 goes, but it worked.
I think we need to have some other human interaction.